Hello, welcome to PyPong. This is an OpenGL Pong. You can find the repository link in the video description. I'm just gonna die real quick and restart. So if you look at this project, you'll find images, which are essentially like the paddle and the ball. And you'll find 4 shader files, 2 vertex shaders, and 2 fragment shaders. I have a lot of engine wrapping paper around OpenGL, but ultimately the main app here is just glfw, glfw, and it's using this graphics pipeline, which is really just a container for the shaders. If there was more pipeline stuff, it would go there too. For example, a blur or an intermediate render. That isn't there in this project. It's kind of a bare bones Python OpenGL. Graphics library. This is all the wrapping paper around the OpenGL stuff. For example, the textures are all getting created from here. Texture generate from bitmap. And those come from here. So it's just using Pillow to open the image and then convert it to RGBA. Like Pong scene is the main game file, and this one might be hard to read if you're just glazing over it, but yeah, that's kind of the engine for the game. Pong state, this one's pretty simple. You're either idle, playing, or dead. The number just renders the number. The net renders the net in the middle. And it also rebuilds itself. So if I run this and I resize it, it builds a new net, so a smaller net. Might be overboard for just a small OpenGL Python project. But yeah, I included this repository in case you found something in it useful. And I hope to use a lot of this code as a basis for some machine learning stuff. So please enjoy. And why are you not enjoying? Enjoy.